What's up, guys? We're here at PC911 doing a tutorial for you guys on the iPhone 5. For those of you that don't know how to fix it, you're looking at here a screen repair. It looks like right here, the right corner looks terribly damaged. We're gonna have to G-tool that out to pretty much so that screen can sit in there flushed. Let's go ahead and get started with the repair. Gotta remove the bottom Penelope screws. For these repairs, you have to use the Penelope screwdriver and Phillips screwdrivers for the rest of the screws inside the phone. Definitely one first thing you have to do is turn it off. Don't want to leave the phone on, short circuit something. So definitely the first thing you have to do is turn that phone off. Alright, first things first, pry into here, lift the screen, bada bing, and there we have it, inside of the iPhone 5. Let's get a closer look on the camera. Alright, you remove the first either with your nail or you can use a prying tool. I like to be safe and not use metal or anything, aluminum, into the motherboard. I use my nail to get away with it and pry up the connectors. And there you have it. That's your screen and your motherboard right here. Batteries right there. Now time you have to remove everything: ear speaker, front facing camera, home button, and the back plate holding the housing of the screen and the bezel together. Alright, I slowly pry up the button right here. So you don't have to pull it out and then damage and break the button. And you'd have to replace that. Here's your button. Buttons touch. There it is. Alright, here is the ear speaker. This is your ear speaker right here. And here we have the front front-facing camera. Try it up. There's the front-facing camera. One more last screw on the face plate or back plate. And there it comes out. And that's your screen. Now we're going to replace it with the new one. Here's the new screen. Here's the old screen. Alright guys, we're going to continue off this screen repair for the iPhone 5. This is the old screen, as you can see, shot out. Now we got the new one. I usually start by the face plate or back plate. Sure. It's on that right. And I place the button right in place. And put this on just like that. And then I go for the front-facing camera. So you guys can see it. I usually start with right the hole right here. Press it in there. And you obviously accommodate it to how it's supposed to go. And push it in. Then you bring the ear speaker right on top. You're ready to put the screws in. And wrong one. This one you gotta watch out with the magnetic. It's usually a magnet from the speaker brings it in, but good to go. And there you have it. components on, button, facing camera, rear speaker, and the side screws for the backlight. You're ready to install it back. I make sure I leave my battery disconnected before installing the new screen, just to avoid any short circuiting. Now, you can definitely connect it back and bring this around. Now we have just the plate for the digitizer left, which goes right here on top of the digitizer and motherboard connectors, just to hold that in place, just in case your phone ever falls. You don't have to worry about anything disconnecting. System on. And now let's place it down. Then last but not least, Penelope screws. On the bottom. One, two. And there we have it. Your iPhone 5 repair.